Gray fox acrobatics, how they climb. The gray fox truly stands apart from its fox relatives. Found throughout North America, from southern Canada down to northern South America. This adaptable creature has a unique trick up its sleeve. It's an accomplished climber. While most foxes stick to ground, level hunting and exploration, the gray fox boasts impressive agility in trees, a characteristic rarely seen among canids. Their semi-retractable claws allow them to ascend trunks with surprising ease, often seeking refuge from predators like coyotes or escaping larger prey animals. This arboreal ability also provides access to different food sources. They've been observed raiding bird nests and even catching squirrels high in the canopy. It's a remarkable adaptation that highlights just how specialized and resourceful this fox truly is. Their remarkable climbing ability isn't just about dodging danger, it's absolutely crucial to how they find food and live their lives. Unlike most foxes who prefer ground-level hunting, gray foxes often ascend trees to pursue birds, squirrels, or even insects hidden within the canopy. They've been observed raiding bird nests for eggs and chicks, and occasionally targeting fruit high in branches. This arboreal lifestyle also provides a unique vantage point, allowing them to survey their surroundings for potential prey or approaching threats. It's truly fascinating how this skill shapes so many aspects of their behavior. What's truly remarkable about gray foxes is their climbing ability. They're surprisingly adept at scaling trees. This isn't common among canids, but it's thanks to a unique adaptation: sharp, retractable claws. Just like cats, these foxes have the power to extend and retract their claws, giving them an incredible grip on bark. You'll often find them effortlessly gripping trunks and ascending with surprising agility, especially when pursuing prey or escaping danger. It's a skill that really sets them apart from other members of the dog family. Climbing trees might seem unusual for a fox, but the gray fox is uniquely adapted to do just that. Their hind legs are incredibly powerful, significantly more so than those of most foxes, and this gives them the necessary thrust to propel themselves upwards. You can really see it in action when they're scrambling up a trunk. And notice how effortlessly they maintain their balance. That's thanks to their long, bushy tail. It acts like a natural counterbalance, preventing them from tipping over as they navigate branches. Most foxes rely on their tails primarily for balance when they're running across open ground. But gray foxes, they've really taken tail usage to another level. You see, these incredible animals are surprisingly adept climbers and spend a significant amount of time in trees, far more than other fox species. And that's where their tails truly shine. It doesn't just help them balance, it actually functions almost like an extra limb. They use it to grip branches, pull themselves up, and maneuver through the canopy with remarkable agility. It's a fascinating adaptation that allows them access to food sources and safety unavailable to foxes who stay firmly on the ground. It's a common misconception that climbing is just for gray fox pups learning to navigate their world. In reality, adult gray foxes are incredibly agile climbers too. They regularly ascend trees, sometimes quite high, in search of food. This isn't simply playful behavior, it's a vital hunting strategy. Birds nesting within branches, rodents seeking refuge amongst the leaves, and even ripe fruit hanging from limbs all become accessible thanks to their climbing ability. Expanding their repertoire beyond ground-based foraging is key to survival for these adaptable animals. This incredible climbing ability isn't just a quirky trait, it's a vital tool for survival. While most predators stick to ground level, gray foxes can effortlessly scale trees and rocky outcrops. This gives them access to nests filled with eggs or young birds, hidden dens of smaller mammals like squirrels or rabbits, and even fruit bearing branches high above the forest floor. It's truly remarkable how this skill opens up a whole new world of food sources that remain completely out of reach for their competitors, giving them a distinct advantage in securing meals. Living so high in trees offers more than just a great view for gray foxes, it's a vital safety measure. Down on the forest floor, they face threats from larger predators like coyotes and bobcats, animals that are perfectly adapted to hunting in that environment. Climbing into the canopy provides an instant escape route, allowing them to avoid those dangers. It's essentially their own personal refuge, a safe haven where they can rest, raise young, and forage with significantly less risk of becoming someone else's meal. This arboreal lifestyle is truly one of the key reasons gray foxes have thrived in so many different habitats. What truly sets the gray fox apart from its cousins is its remarkable ability to thrive in trees. While most foxes are creatures of the ground, denning and hunting primarily on land, the gray fox has evolved a unique lifestyle that spends considerable time amongst the branches. This isn't just occasional climbing, they're actually skilled climbers, possessing semi-retractable claws similar to those found in arboreal mammals like raccoons and squirrels. Their long, bushy tails act as a counterbalance, allowing them to navigate trees with surprising agility. This adaptation represents a significant evolutionary divergence, a distinct shift away from the typical fox behavior we see elsewhere, demonstrating how natural selection can shape animals to exploit different ecological niches. Witnessing a gray fox effortlessly ascend a tree is truly something special. It's more than just climbing, it's an incredible display of their arboreal prowess. Unlike most foxes, which primarily stick to ground-level movement, the gray fox has retained semi-retractable claws, a characteristic they inherited from their distant relatives, the cats. This adaptation allows them to grip bark with surprising ease and agility, navigating vertical surfaces with remarkable skill. They use this ability for several reasons: escaping predators like coyotes or bobcats, pursuing prey that might take refuge in trees, and even scouting for food sources across a wider area. Observing these foxes scaling trees really highlights the fascinating ways evolution shapes survival strategies.